Okay, moving along again. The next thing we'll go to is, let's see, what do we pull out of the bag? Aha. Gerber suspension multi-tool. When I started, I had a third shift job one time. That was a place I actually enjoyed working at. Had a lot of downtime with a lot of really good guys. Got to know some people. One guy was into knives and tools and tactical stuff, and so it started rubbing off on me. So I started buying all these little doodads and knickknacks, and said I wanted a multi-tool, but I didn't really want to spend, you know, $50 or $75 on one from Leatherman. But I did want one I could carry around. So got this at Walmart. I believe it was $24.95. Open it up. There's your pliers. Spring loaded. It's going to open back up for you. Fairly strong, I guess. I'm not a builder. Don't work on cars. Don't know how to change my oil. So I'm not that familiar with tools, but for everything I've ever needed it for, it's held up to just fine. What few things that is. I believe that's supposed to be a wire cutter right there. I think I've actually used it. I think it was to cut some wire. Can't remember what I did with that. But it did what I needed it to. That was a while back. So you close it back up, and you can get to the tools from the outside. You don't have to open it up that way and then pull the tools out. You can leave it closed up and get to it that way. It did come with this little carrying pouch. This it's not really soft. It's made kind of a harder material. Keep it shaped well. Has 2 directions. You can carry it on your belt. You can carry it through that way, or you can carry it sideways that way on your belt. So if you don't want it, see, if that's my belt right there and this is my legs, you can carry it like that, or you can carry it like that. Pull it out, do like that, get right to the knife. That's what you need to do. The knife has a thumb stud, and this side, that little serrated edge, has a thumb stud too. I'm not sure if that's supposed to for fishermen or what. It's not sharp at all. But the knife is really sharp. So you got your knife there. These little things right here, you have to pull them down to release it where it'll go back up. Or if I can do this without watching the camera, get confused which way I'm moving my hand. Don't want to do the wrong side. So that's not going down at all until you pull down the little locking thing. It's going to close right up. So you've got your knife. That's the only one on this side you can get to directly with the little thumb stud. And then you've got a flathead screwdriver. And then a Phillips head screwdriver. There you go. And then you've got your saw. I have used that to try to cut through a little limb. Did okay, I guess. So that's the tools on that side. You can pull that and close them all at one time. And then on this side, like I said, you got your little, whatever that's meant to be for, little pointy thing. Use that to pry stuff open. A small flathead screwdriver. A little lanyard loop or a keychain hole. Be too heavy, way too heavy, put on a keychain. And then the scissors. I've definitely, out of all the things I've used this and for, the scissors and the pliers. I guess maybe the pliers number 2 would be the scissors. And it's got a little wire right there to act as a spring. So that's going to open back up for you. So the scissors have come in handy multiple times. So that is a Gerber suspension multi-tool. Come with a carrying case. And got that at Walmart a couple years ago for about $25.